In today's video, I'm going to teach you how I use the Canva background remover. If you're looking to give your images a clean, professional look by eliminating that unwanted background, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and take a step-by-step journey through this straightforward process. To start, you'll need to have your image ready in Canva. Once you've logged into your Canva account and opened your project, the first thing you want to do is click on the image you plan to edit. Selecting the image is essential because it triggers the editing options you'll need in the next steps, ensuring you're ready to perform the background removal seamlessly. Now, a significant aspect to bear in mind is that the background remover is a feature available to those using Canva Pro. If you haven't upgraded yet, you might want to consider it, especially if you frequently edit images. Canva Pro provides a series of powerful tools, and access to the background remover is really one of its highlights. Once your image is selected and you're in Canva Pro, navigate to the toolbar at the top of the interface. You'll see an option labeled Effects. Click on Effects, and among the options that appear you'll find the BG Remover. It's quite user-friendly and straightforward to locate. When you click on BG Remover, Canva's intuitive AI will swiftly analyze your image and start removing the background. Depending on the complexity of your image, this process might take a few seconds. It's a fascinating moment as you watch the background fade away, leaving your subject in crisp detail. If it's not perfect the first time, don't worry. Canva usually does a great job, but you can always fine-tune the details as needed. For some additional tips, remember that you can zoom in on your image for precision work. This is especially useful if you need to clean up any edges or specific areas that might need a little more attention. You can also use the erase or restore brushes in the same section to manually adjust parts of the image where the automatic removal wasn't quite right. Play around with these tools to see which areas need refining. Finally, once you're satisfied with the result, make sure to download your edited image. Canva supports multiple formats like PNG and JPG, so choose the one that best suits your needs. And there you have it, your image is now ready to be used in presentations, social media posts, or anywhere else you see fit, free from any unnecessary background clutter. I hope you found this tutorial simple and effective. With these steps, you're now equipped to make your visuals more striking and professional. Enjoy using Canva to its fullest potential, and feel free to explore other creative features it offers. Thanks for joining in today, and happy designing.